How's it going, everybody? Welcome to the Holtman YouTube channel. And like I promised, we made it to the Pinery. So we're gonna head down to the beach and see what we can see. And I believe at 4 o'clock our yurt will be ready. So we're gonna go grab the keys for the yurt and go check out our yurt. And we got some good stuff planned this weekend. We got some Fieldroast burgers we're gonna try out tonight. We got some filet mignon, plant-based steaks we're gonna try out tomorrow, and much, much more. So stay tuned and check us out. Not too bad. And I imagine the water is a little bit cold, so we won't be swimming this weekend. So it's a pretty nice beach down there, lots of nice big dunes, and it's a pretty good place to chill if you're down here in the summer sometime. We're gonna go check out our yurt and make some Fieldroast burgers. So I'm really interested to see how these taste, and I know you are too. Okay guys, we made it to our yurt, so let's go check this out. Nice little picnic table there outside. Yes, we also have a Broil King barbecue, and there's a lot of noise because there's a football game going on over there. Okay, let's go check out our yurt. So this is the yurt, nothing fancy. A couple bunk beds, table in the middle. We got ourselves a little heater. Shouldn't be too cold tonight. We got our light here. Oh, a little heat coming on there. And our safety wall, fire extinguisher, garbage, blah, 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 and the rules and regulations. We did figure out the Broil King barbecue, so we're gonna get some burgers going pretty soon, and that would be the Fieldroast, so can't wait for that. And one thing I do want to mention, for the people who already are subscribing to the channel, thank you very much. I really appreciate it, and I really could use some more support, so if you don't mind subscribing, I would really love you to hit that button. So please, if you could, give me some lovin'. Give me all your lovin', all your hugs and kisses too. Okay guys, we are about to get dinner started, and what we got here is Fieldroast Chef Signature Burgers. So these guys were $8.88 at Food Basics, so it's quite expensive. And there's 4 patties in there, if you can believe it. So they're probably really thin ones. So you're looking at $2, a little bit more than $2 for a thin patty. Sweet applewood mustard, barbecue sauce, kind of a Big Mac mixture here, my own specialty, so we'll see how that tastes. Some yellow cheese slices, and pre-cut onion. Gotta have that cooked crisp onion on burgers. So this is gonna be a good one. We got some lettuce here, and we got our pickles. We also got some pretzel buns, because pretzel buns are pretty good. Okay, let's get her going. We're gonna start by sauteing some onions in this pan. Okay guys, the onions are looking really good. That's the way I like to see them, kind of brownish and blackish, nice and crispy. And as you can see, they reduced quite a bit. So we're gonna try the burgers out now. Let's check these guys out. Yeah, these are definitely some weird burgers. I've never seen anything actually like this. I can tell you one thing, there's not much fat in these, so healthy they are. Okay guys, we're gonna get some diet cheese on these. So we're going for a little bit of a Big Mac simulation here, so that's why we got the nice yellow cheese. And originally it was going to be a double burger, but I'm not that hungry now, so I think it's just going to be singles, and we'll figure out what to do with the other patties later on. Oh, it's getting charbroiled. Let's get some of these pretzel buns on there. So not too long on that one. We're going to check that in like a minute or so, because they'll burn up pretty quick. So I think we're looking pretty good there now. Okay guys, I'm slowly running out of light, but I'm trying to get these burgers done, so let's check it out. Oh, you know what I forgot to do was layer the bottom. Get that sauce in there, some lettuce. Perfect. We got our crispy onions in there. Maple mustard. That's because I'm trying to shake it up. Pew sauce on one. Okay, how about some more lettuce? Pickles. Crush that baby down. Guys, this is the best burger in the world, and I can't believe I made it. That's so good, I'm just gonna devour this, so I'll see you in a little bit. Okay guys, that actually was one of the best burgers ever in the history of mankind, and I don't know how long the history of mankind has been. So it was a pretty good burger. And I was really skeptical at first because it looked weird and everything. But you know, don't judge a book by its cover. Fieldroast burgers, not too bad. But it's kind of the way I prepared it too. So keep that in mind. The sauce and the onions, the lettuce, the pickles, that's what it's all about. And that is what a burger is all about. Okay guys, we're gonna have a little fire going tonight, and we can actually get this started without kindling because of the fire starter and the super dry wood we buy at Canadian Tire. So let's have a fire, and then we're gonna wind things down, hit the sack, and see what Saturday has to offer. Anyways guys, that wraps things up for tonight. I thought I'd choose the top bunk because I thought it'd be kind of cool. So we will see you in the morning, bright and early, for some just egg. Who? Who?